Red Sox pitchers keep going the way they are, and hopefully he can combat that here when they roll into town.
Sanjay Chan flies that one to center field. Jones backed it up to the triangle, and that's going to be off the wall. That's going to be his first big league hit. He took care of the RBI in the second inning, and now the baseball needs to go back to the dugout.
Oh man, that's a great feeling. I have chills right now. Anytime somebody gets their first big league hit, it's something you remember forever. It's an 0-1 changeup, middle of the plate, off the bat. I thought this had a real chance to get into that first or second.
And an RBI is taking care of both of those firsts here tonight in his promotion to the big leagues. Second time he's been in the majors. But this one's been a lot more fun for him. And so Meyer, 10-day IL, the bone stress reaction. Very close to what happened to Isaiah Kiner-Falefa. Off the plate. 2-1. Red Sox had 5-0 in the sixth inning. Opportunity to take the first two games against their ancient rival. 2-2.
It's good to see good baseball. Moving guys over, getting them in, good defense, throwing strikes, just enjoyable.
And some runs. What a difference it makes. Score some runs. And the Sox are getting a terrific pitching performance out of Peyton Toley. Warren's got a 3-2. And a walk. So Red Sox have another base runner. Timeout for the mobile performance.
Go back to James' first big league hit. Double to center, off the wall.